everyone, you can watch my videos in your first language now. Click the settings button, audio track, and select a language of your choice. Like Portuguese.
E detalhado sobre o vídeo do Starboard, configurar niveles e outras funções.
3% logo ने ही मेरे चैनल को subscribe.
Di video kali ini, saya akan menunjukkan cara
皆
mengatur
さん、こんにちは。このビデオでは、スタトックの設定方法
You'll find other options too, like French, German, Italian, and Polish. So enjoy! Discord is giving away another 700 orbs. I'm sure some of you have already received the notification if you are on the PC version. This time it's from a collaboration with Perplexity Comet Ai. Now what's that? It's just an AI similar to any other AI that answers your questions and draft an email. If you have ever used Slider, you would know what's this about. Now to claim your 700 orbs, you just need to watch a video and that's it. After that, you will receive your 700 orbs. One thing to note though, make sure to stay on screen while watching the video. Otherwise, it will pause. In my thumbnail, I said free Nitro. Why is that? Sure, go to Explore Orbs exclusive. Here you can get 3-day Nitro credit and other 2 things, but I would say not to get it because this is not permanent. But instead, scroll down and get one of the profile decors since they are permanent. Aren't they very pretty? But if you think these decors are old, just scroll down even more and click Shop the whole shop. After clicking that, you will find more options. On the top right-hand side, click Orbs Eligible. That way you can filter out all the decors that you can purchase with orbs. So yeah, that is it. I hope you like it. Join my Discord server if you want free decors and layouts. And hit the like and subscribe button if you like this video.